Hello YouTuber, my name is Eggy and welcome to my channel. For today's Let's Build series, I'll be building this, a Master Grade Gundam Dynames from Bandai. Like any other Bandai kits, building this kit was easy. Parts came out of screws without any issues, and they all fit properly without need for any putty work. The parts also sanded and polished without giving me any problems. There were some small parts, however, instructions were well laid out and I had no problem building this kit. The color separation was great in this kit, so while building I decided not to paint this kit and see what I can do from basic out-of-box build. Once I finished the initial build, I applied the included stickers. I personally think the use of stickers ruins this otherwise great kit, however it still looks great once all stickers have been applied. Applying the stickers were easy, they were pre-cut for easy application. I used the tweezers to pull them out and stick them in places. Next step was the weathering. For weathering, I used a small brush and a sponge stick for chipping effect. I used a gray color on the light color parts and a silver on dark color parts. The panel lining was done using a Tamiya panel line, and I cleaned them using animal thinner. I also used Tamiya Weathering Master to give it some rust, dust, and some streaks to finish the look. And here is a finished kit. Thank you so much for watching.